I received this Bachelorette Bundle from Gutter Games, and it is hilarious. There's 7 games to play with your girlfriends, and it is so funny, and the questions, they're a bit naughty too. So not sure if you want to play with your mother or your mother-in-law. So just keep that in mind. But this is awesome. You get Bubbly Pong game, as well as I Have Never, Quiz the Groom, Truth or Dare, What Am I, Who Knows the Bride Best, and Bachelor Charades. So it comes in this fun box, and this is a perfect gift to give to somebody that you know that's getting married. And this is what it looks like. You get all these items. Let me pull them out so you can see. You're going to get some cups for the Bubbly Pong game. And there's also going to be directions here as well. And here is the Quiz the Groom, innocent questions and naughty questions, and also Who Knows the Bride Best. And also has some fun confetti on the bottom. So let me go through some of these. Now, I'm not going to tell you the naughty ones because they're just too naughty for the video, but just be warned, but they're super fun and hilarious. So here is some of the sheets that you're going to get. Who knows the bride the best, and where did I meet the groom? And your friends are going to be writing down the answers. Where did we go on our first date? How long have we been dating? And etc. And you can also have prizes for whoever does know the bride the best. Here's Quiz the Groom, the innocent questions. What 3 words would you use to describe the bride? What 3 words would the bride use to describe you? What is the most romantic thing you have done for the bride? And so forth. So there's 20 of these questions, 20 of the bride questions, and also for Quiz the Groom, the naughty questions, there's 20 of these as well. And for example, what is the naughtiest thing the bride has ever done? And how many dates did you go on before you did the deed? So there's a lot of different fun questions to ask. And then they also have provided rules for some of these games. And you get all these cups for the Bubbly Pong. And you can use it with champagne or some other soda. It's up to you. And you also get these ping pong balls, as well as these cards to play too. So let's go through some of these. For example, you're going to get Truth or Dare. And here's some of them. Truth. What is the meanest thing you've ever done in your life? Or you pick Dare. Let the bride write any word on your forehead with eyeliner. How funny is that? And here's another Truth and Dare. What is the worst rumor or gossip you've spread? Or hand your phone to the next person next to you and let them post on one of your social media accounts. Whoa. And here's a Truth and Dare. What was the most disgusting joke you've played on someone? And Dare would be smother lipstick all over your teeth and ask a stranger if you have lipstick on your teeth. How funny is that? And on the back of these, they also have some more questions like, what am I? I only come in the daytime. I spend most of my life on the floor, but I'm never dirty. What am I? And the answer is a shadow. And here's another what am I? You often play with me before bed. You best not get caught fiddling with me at work. You only let a few people touch me. What am I? And the answer is a phone. And here's another what am I? I start with a V and every woman has one. She can use me to get what she wants. What am I? And the answer, her voice. Aren't these hilarious? Hours of fun with your friends for the bachelor party. And the cool thing is you can use these time and time again. And here is some more innocent charades. So you would be doing all these stacks, for charades. So popping champagne. So what would the champagne pop motion be? So you'd be doing the, charades for that. And Bridezilla. So you try to act like the bride, but in a Bridezilla way. And try to perform what a gold digger would be. So having a baby. There's so many of these. So lots of fun charade things to do. And then there's also I have never. And so you're supposed to ask your friends, I have never, and used a dating app to meet someone. Or I have never got a tattoo. And it's just a fun game to see what your friends have never done or have done. And I have never stolen someone's boyfriend. Ooh, that's a bad one, isn't it? So this is so much fun. Let me show you a close-up of all you're gonna receive. You're going to be receiving these cups as well as ping pong balls for the bubbly pong. You're also gonna be getting this sheet that says Quiz the Groom, naughty questions, Quiz the Groom, innocent questions, and Who knows the bride best. You're also going to be receiving these cards that says, I have never stolen someone's boyfriend, got a tattoo, used a dating app to meet someone, and so forth. And if you flip it, there's more questions on the back, and this is going to be for the charades. To be like Bridezilla, popping champagne, Magic Mike movie, and your friends are going to do charades for somebody to guess the right answer. And they also have cards for truth and dare. So you ask your friend for truth or dare, and these are the truth and dares. And like I said, some of them are naughty, so just be aware of them. And this is What Am I game. So you ask the question and see who can get it right. And they've also given you game rules to play all these games. And this is perfect for your bridal shower or bachelorette party too. For bubbly pong, Quiz the Groom, bachelor charades, I have never, truth or dare, and Who knows bride the best, as well as What am I? Isn't this a fantastic set? This is going to be so much fun, and you're really going to enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.